Question 25, Part B. Armand recorded the weights of a random sample of male students in his year. The cumulative frequency graph displays the results. Part 1. How many of the students surveyed were in the 80 to 89 kilogram class? This is the cumulative frequency graph, which means that the heights of each of these columns gives you the number of students in their respective classes, but that includes all the students in the classes below. So for example, in the 50 to 59 kilogram class, there are 6 students. In the 60 to 69 kilogram class, there are 16 students. But this is a bit of a misnomer because it actually includes the students in the class below. So in actual fact, there are in fact 16 minus 6 students in the 60 to 69 kilogram class, which gives you 10. So to work out the number of students that are in the 80 to 89 kilogram class, we take the height of this column, which is 42. Remember that this 42 includes all students in the lower classes. So to get the number of students in the 80 to 89 kilogram class exclusively, we need to subtract from 42 the height of the previous column, which is 26. Hence, the number of students surveyed that weigh 80 kilograms to 89 kilograms is 42 minus 26, which is 16 students. Part 2. Estimate the median weight of the students surveyed. The first thing to note is that the sample consists of the weights of 50 students. Now, ordinarily, to find the median of an even number of data points, firstly, you need to order the data points, so in ascending order from smallest to largest, and then find the mean of the middle 2 data points. But because we're trying to estimate the median weight from a cumulative frequency graph, all we need to do is to find the point on the y-axis, which is half of the total number of students surveyed. So half of 50 is 25. So locating this point here on the y-axis, we project across until we strike the ogive, or the polygon, and then where it strikes the polygon, project downward to the x-axis, and we can see here that it's approximately 79 kilograms. So from the graph, the median weight is approximately 79 kilograms. Part 3. Of the 300 male students in Armand's year, how many would you expect to weigh less than 70 kilograms? Out of the 50 students, the number of students that weigh less than 70 kilograms, in other words, those that weigh between 50 to 59 kilograms and 60 to 69 kilograms, is represented by the height of this particular column, which is 16. So from the graph, the number of students that weigh less than 70 kilograms is 16. Hence, the relative frequency is 16 out of 50. So in other words, for every 50 students, 16 of those are expected to weigh less than 70 kilograms. So to work out the number of students that are expected to weigh less than 70 kilograms from 300 students, we can do 300 divided by 50 multiplied by 16, which equals 96. So therefore, out of 300 students, 96 students are expected to weigh less than 70 kilograms. Part 4. 1. In order to select a sample, Armand's friend suggested selecting the first 50 male students in his year to arrive at school on Monday morning. Explain why this would not be a random sample. And 2. Describe a method that could have been used to select a random sample of the male students. Some students might arrive late or may be absent for the day for whatever reason. Hence, every student in the year does not have an equal chance of being chosen for the survey. Hence, it is not a random sample. So a better method of selection may be to randomly select 50 names from the roll or choose 50 names from a box containing all 300 names of students in the year group.